Hi, I'm Elijah Bethard, and I'm going to teach you how to survive being a student at GCU. First things first, don't procrastinate on your essays. It might be easy, but in the long run, it makes things much worse. Now, when it comes to class, even if it's an early morning class, never skip it. Those are easy points that can help you get an A in college. Now, I know you might think, I'll be tired the rest of the day. Let me tell you something, naps are the key. Everyone in college naps. Now, speaking of naps, you cannot have the opposite gender nap with you in your room as much as you might like to. They can only stay in the living area. Isn't that right, Emily?
Yeah, it is.
On the subject of following the rules, there is absolutely no alcohol or drugs on this campus. Otherwise, you'll have to do hours of community service and write an essay. That's decoration. Now, one of the most important parts about going to class is meeting new people because they can help you study, and it's great to know more people.
Hi guys, you ready to study?
Also, there are visitation hours. On weekends, they're at midnight, but on school nights, they're at 11 o'clock.
Hi.
Hey!
Now, one of the most important rules you absolutely need to follow is the 90-degree rule. It's everybody's favorite rule on campus. The door has to stay 90 degrees open when you're in the opposite gender's room or they are in your room. Thank you for listening to my steps on how to be successful here at GC. And if you follow these steps, I believe you too can be successful. What is this? Private, Christian, affordable.